everybody, this is CR number 20, helper video number 1. It says the table shows the amounts earned from selling copies of 4 recipe books. It has the book title, Quick Desserts, is 50 copies sold at $300, Lean Meals at 35 copies sold at $175, Master the Grill, 40 copies sold at $160, and Easy Appetizers, 10 copies sold at $20. According to the data, which recipe book costs the most? As soon as you see something that's comparing costs, the only way that you can compare costs is by actually finding a unit rate, because you need to know how much it costs per one in order to compare them. We'll try to remember that when we're trying to find a unit rate, we are looking for the amount per one. So if I'm comparing money, oh wait, let me just make this a little bit narrower. Sorry about that. If we're comparing money to copies, and we're looking at Quick Desserts, we know that we earned or sold $300 worth of Quick Desserts, and that covered 50 copies. There we go. But I don't want to know 50 copies. I only want to know one. So if you're going to take 300 and you are going to divide it by 50, you get 6. So this first one is $6 per copy. Now you're going to go ahead and do the rest. And this is how you're going to do it. Notice I'm taking the total amount and dividing it by the number of copies to find out how much one costs. So now on your calculator, when you do your problem, you can go ahead and take the next amount, 175, divided by 35, and you're going to get $5 per copy. Well, so far we know Quick Desserts is more expensive. Once again, we're going to take the 160, we're going to divide it by the 40 in order to figure out how much it is per one. And I have a handy dandy calculator here. I'm dividing that by 40 because see, I even need one myself. And that's $4 a copy. And last but not least, you could probably do this right in your head. 20 divided by 10 is $2 per copy. So which one is the most expensive? It's Quick Desserts, which is why this one is circled or starred. Good luck.